was playing with a new little program I purchased for $2.40 today called GPS Status. It's actually on my Android, but what it's for is how do you find your platform when it goes down someplace. If telemetry is still working, that's all well and good. It'll tell you exactly where it is and you can hone right in on it. Let's say the battery blew up or came loose, whatever. Let's just say the battery blew up when it crashed. All you have to do is go into your telemetry logs, come down here and click that you want to convert your telemetry log to a text document. Go in to the data that was just saved for that flight, and boom, it has been converted to a text log. Close your program, open up your text viewer, go to where that text file was created. It will be created in your program files, mission planner, logs, and what we're doing, a quadrotor. I think I might have accidentally did that one in hex. Nope. Let's go back over to quad. There we go. There's the text file just created. You open it. Okay, so now what you do is you go all the way to the bottom of that text log. Clink. You anchor someplace by clicking. Go edit, find GPS location, and search up for the last one. Bing. Cancel. There it is. Right there. Let's scroll up a little here. Right there it is. Here's your latitude and the longitude of your platform. You can go into a geocaching program and type in, open another copy notepad. You can type in 35.5082968 space minus 82.5988 226, and there, lo and behold, is your latitude and longitude of where your copter, hexa, whatever, is laying on the ground. There you go. That's all there is to it. Just go to your, and these take place, this is saved away so many times per second. Now, if it hits the top of a tree and puts a limb through the battery and the battery burns up, it may fall through the limbs and be 5 or 10 feet away from where this GPS location is. But pretty much, you just search in a 20-foot circle, 10-foot circle of this. Just don't go down in any streams or rivers. But pretty much for land location, there you go. There's your latitude and longitude. I bought GPS Status for my Android, the Pro version, and it will let me put this latitude and longitude into it and then mark it as a point of interest, and then I can actually walk. It will tell me which direction to walk and how many feet away I am from that location, as if we were doing a geocaching hunt. Or you can use, if you don't want to use GPS status on Android, or you have an iPhone or some other type of platform, by all means, use any geocaching program that you like, whichever one's your favorite. Might just be a big circle with an arrow pointing in the direction you need to walk, and in the center tells you how many feet away you are, and that's as complicated as it gets. Anyway, there's a way to find down craft using the telemetry data that's constantly being sent back to your ground station. This is the actual GPS status app. We'll go in and look at locations. I can take this location I've been playing with. We'll modify its description real quick. I'm working outside in the dark, and my hand typing on the keyboard keeps changing my focus. Sorry about that. But basically what you're looking at is a drone, Android Ultra with GPS status program running. Drone. There's your location. I want to save it as a point of interest, a POI. There we go. Try to keep it in focus. Save as point of interest. There it is, point of interest. Go back to the radar screen. And not very clear, but you can see, oops, it says find. Let's go back to real quick. Locations. And let's turn on drone. There we go. Now we'll go back to radar screen. And there we are. Now it says drone. And it's located just southeast of my location. And you can see its distance is 84 feet. Plus or minus 30 feet. That's the dilution of percentage error of any GPS. Nothing can be done about that. So there you go. There it is, top to bottom, using Android Ultra, using the app GPS status, using it in geocache mode for a point of interest. And I put in the last latitude and longitude sent via telemetry from the platform milliseconds before the battery burst into flame. It doesn't get any better than that. It is just that simple. Hope that helps somebody to locate their craft very quickly. This should really work quite quickly.